Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about this portable oral irrigator. It is a 300 milliliter water tank, cordless and convenient, and it is a great little water flosser. All right, you guys, I used to have one, but it was so junky, so big, it was hard to use. It had a cable, so this one is portable, so you can move it freely. It is powered by batteries, and it has not only 4 modes but 6 different tips, and it comes with a year of warranty. Let's get this thing open because it is absolutely amazing. Alright, you guys, let's go through a rundown of things we get. So first, this is the actual device. Down here is where you're going to put your water. This is amazing. It can fit up to 300 milliliters, as you can see. This is where you're going to turn it on and select the mode you want. And here is the lock and unlock button, as you can see, to keep one of these 6 tips that you choose inside. So these tips are actually pretty cool. You have some that look the exact same, like these, while you have others that have little brushes like this one. So it's really all sorts of different ones. You also get the charging cable, of course, and a little bag to keep it in. I actually got 2 little bonuses ones. I got the tongue scraper and the little dental mirror, which is super cool, but I'm definitely so excited to have this and test it out for you guys. This is an amazing device that definitely helps with flossing. It is not as uncomfortable because you are using water, and I think you guys should check it out. Just look how easy that was to just put that inside. Of course, I'm going to be testing this thoroughly, showing you guys in videos, and I hope you guys check it out because I've always had issues with flossing, and this definitely is going to make it so much easier.